Hey you guys, this is Dash from Bloom Where You're Planted, and we have a very exciting thing we're doing this afternoon. There is a beehive all the way up there.
I'm giving it some scale.
Okay.
So they can see me.
So I'm a little bit scared of heights. Okay, more than a little bit. So I've never done a beehive or a swarm this high before. So I'm taking some deep breaths, and I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Dawn, who is clearly not afraid of heights, is going to cut it off, and the plan is to put it in the box and bring it down the ladder. So here we go. Let's do this. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. I can do all things through I can
But it's
do
not
all
going to
things
break.
through Christ who
It's not going
strengthens
to slide down. They're already moving in. Back in there, the queen is in there somewhere.
me. Okay. Yeah, she's got to be in there somewhere. We just got to get her. Oh. It's through Christ who strengthens me. Father, we thank you for this opportunity. We thank you for these bees.
Look at all this brood.
It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Look at this thing like
That's beautiful. I'll look for the queen while you're getting more. See her yet, it's getting heavy. Okay. I would think she might be on that one.
this. Several more.
Okay. I don't see her on this side, but of course I can't see the other side, so.
Lots of bees on this one.
Okay. Maybe that's what she's on. Ooh, okay. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Hell, I've had 5 kids. I can do
All
it.
that brood.
Oh my gosh. Oh, it's getting heavy.
You can take the smoke it down with you.
We're almost done. Yeah.
Yes, we are.
Yeah. Almost. Heavenly Father, thank you for this opportunity. We thank you for these creatures. We love you, Lord, and we're so excited about. Oh, they're fanning. She's in there. They're fanning. They only do that when she's in there. We've got her. Okay. You got it?
I got it. You can
Okay.
let go.
Okay.
Okay.
I'll get the smoker.
Come on down.
Okay.
Got that?
Yes, I got it. Oh my God, that was great. Okay.
Take your time.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. We did it! So as long as we've got the queen in here, all the worker bees will come in here after her. So that's awesome. And I think we got her. When they fan, they put their butts in the air and they fan, spreading the pheromone, telling everybody, "Here, queen's in here. We're moving." And that's what they're doing. So.
Oh, you're up there. The answer would be no.
That's kind of what I figured. I'll save my breath.
They were gentle.
How long do you sit out here and then
Awesome.
Yeah. Well, we got them home safely, you guys, and we put some more ventilation holes in there. The rescue didn't work quite as we had planned. We had some rib racks in there that we thought we'd be able to take each piece of comb and just set it in that rack to kind of keep them upright and separated. But it was so soft, it just broke when we tried to do that. So that didn't quite work out. So what we're worried about is worst case scenario, we crushed the queen. So that could be the case. Hopefully she's fine and she's alive in there. So the plan is to build a new top fire hive. Don, my brother-in-law, he's got skills in mad carpentry skills. So he's gonna work today and tomorrow and he can get it done. And it is a work of art like all of his others. So that'll be really fun. So we think that they can make it in here for 2 days and that they'll be fine. Hopefully the queen's fine. And it went pretty well, other than, you know, the comb. We got a new group of girls. So the building has begun on our new hive. This is the beginning.
Indeed.
Don is in his element. He's got some skills, you guys. So this is the plan. Isn't that gorgeous? Don has the hive built. That was a really quick build, you guys. So let me show you some of the features that I love about these top bar hives that he does. First feature that I absolutely love is the onboard feeder. He's routed out a place where the bees can come in from the inside and drink the sugar water here and then go back into the hive. There it is. So they can come and go and get the sugar water, and it doesn't take up room in the hive. So that is awesome. That's how it works. Another feature we love about the hives he builds is this window, this view window that just drops down so we can see what's going on inside the hive without getting into it. So that has been really, really useful. Another thing we love about it is this drop down bottom hatch.
There we go.
So that leads to a screen under here so that in the summertime for ventilation we can open this up, and in the winter we can close it up for keep the drafts out. And then another thing, I mean, you guys look at this roof, look at this gabled roof, it's amazing. But one of the disadvantages is sometimes the bees build up there, we found in the last hive. So he's put some netting here this time so the bees won't be able to build up there. So that is an improvement, I think. It is just gorgeous. Like I said, he's got some skills. Here, let's close it so they can get a look at the whole thing. Look at that gabled roof, you guys. Isn't it a work of art? That's one thing I love about top bars. They can be very simple with just a plywood top laid on it, or they can be a work of art, just depending on what you want to do and the skills that you have. So I imagine the girls are excited to get out of their box and into this beautiful hive that we made. So we're going to put them in here and rehome them. We're going to try to save as much as the comb as we can. We're going to tape it on. You'll see. We're hoping, cross your fingers, that we didn't injure the queen. And we can still save the day if we did, but it's just going to be a little bit more work for us. So, and a little bit more work for the bees. So hopefully the queen's in there. We'll see her, and this hive can get started gangbusters building in their new home. Beautiful.
That's some brood.
That means some baby bees. And they'll attach that, and then they'll chew off the tape and take it out of the hive. That's the idea anyway.
And we're alternating some comb, and then an open bar, and then some comb.
To prevent cross-combing.
To try to help prevent cross-combing.
Yeah. Which is something we've had a struggle with. Okay. The more comb we get in here, the more likely they are to stay. because they've got an investment.
Lovely.
Okay. Looking for the queen. Oh, what's that?
Some dead bees.
It's okay.
And they're kind of crushed underneath the
Aw.
combs collapsed.
Yeah, that didn't work out quite like we hoped it would, but that's okay.
Great. Hope they work quickly.
Yeah. Taking quite a knocking. So what we will do is, if we don't see the queen today, then we will come in a few days and see if we find any eggs laid or any baby brood, and that will tell us if the queen is in there. Hopefully we'll see her though. There we go. That's better, much better. I'm looking for the queen. Come on. Come on, Your Majesty, show yourself. Let's see if we see the queen. That is a drone, right? Yeah, it's a drone.
Pretty good sized bee. Bigger than the others.
Yeah. It's got a fat
Different
abdomen.
color too.
It's got a fat abdomen, though. It's not a queen.
Different color. Look at the markings on her back. That may be her. She's big. Whatever it is big. Maybe a drone, but
Oh, yeah, huh? It does not look exactly like a queen, but it does look a lot different.
different from all the others.
Yeah.
I think they'd be a little more aggressive if that was the queen.
Not necessarily.
Take the brush. Brush as many of these guys in there as I can. Come on. Used to it. Look out. Bring it in.
I'm thinking as an insurance policy, we should go get some comb out of that hive and put in here with some fresh eggs if we can find it. Because I'm just afraid we might have killed the queen,
Yeah, I understand.
or she might have gotten crushed. And it doesn't take long for them to decline. If they don't have 3-day-old eggs to build a new queen, to raise a new queen, then decline can happen pretty quickly.
Yeah, but are we going to disturb that entire hive to try to find 3-day-old eggs, uncapped eggs?
I mean, yeah, somewhat, yes. They're going in. That's a good sign that maybe the queen is in there. Of course, the comb would probably still smell like her, so I don't know. But we've got them in their new house. So exciting. We didn't see the queen, so that's disappointing. So we will go back in a few days and see if we can find some eggs, some freshly laid eggs, and then we'll know that the queen is present. So we're hoping for that. Cross your fingers, you guys. All right, this is been a great bee adventure.